Professional maintenance software. Having professional maintenance software allows facilities to capture more information, use powerful tools to analyze these metrics. There are lots of data capture tools available through software, like checklists, work order histories, and in-depth reports. These tools make it easier and more accurate to determine the progression and impact of policy implementation. For example, a checklist can outline the proper steps for repairing an asset, and can also include any guidelines or wording from the asset management policy. Using software, this checklist can be digitized, attached to an asset, and tracked, so technicians can be frequently reminded of the policy and live it.